Hello and welcome. In today's analysis, we'll explore the impact of Japan's recent upper house election defeat on its currency, indices, and government bonds. On Sunday, July 20th, Japan's ruling coalition government, led by Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba, lost its majority in the upper house elections. This defeat weakened Ishiba's position, but he vowed to remain in power, citing an important deadline for US tariff negotiations. While the outcome was expected, it has raised concern about Japan's political stability and future fiscal policies. Following the election, the Japanese yen surprisingly gained 1%, reaching 147.31 yen per dollar, which was earlier trading around 149 levels. Despite Japan's market being closed for a public holiday, the yen's rise reflected market optimism as investors welcomed Ishiba's pledge to stay in office. This move in the yen came as market anticipated continuous progress on tariff talks with the US, even as political uncertainty looms. The equity markets reacted mildly. Nikkei futures rose slightly, indicating that the election results were largely priced in. However, the increase in political instability has raised concern over the potential policy gridlock, which could affect investor confidence in the coming weeks. When it comes to Japanese government bonds, investors were expecting yields to rise, keeping in mind the current scenario, but that didn't happen as the yield on 10-year government bonds rose only by 1.5 basis point, suggesting a more cautious market response than anticipated. While a 30-year Japanese government bond yield have hit a record high of 3.2%, the slight increase in the 10-year government bond yield signals that the market reactions are relatively restrained despite fiscal concerns. In conclusion, the Japanese election results have added political uncertainty affecting the yen, bond market, and equities. The situation is still evolving, and investors will closely monitor how Japan navigate these challenges. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more such market updates.